Your hand reaches out, your love takes control. You lift me up, Lord, and make me whole. You make me whole, you heal my pain. Your mercy falls like gentle rain. In every breath, your power I claim. Jesus, my healer, I praise your name. Through every storm, through every night, your healing touch turns darkness to light. You bind my wounds, you calm my soul. In your embrace, Lord, I am whole. You make me whole, you heal my pain. Your mercy falls like gentle rain. In every breath, your power I claim. Jesus, my healer, I praise your name. By your stripes, I'm set free. Your love has rewritten my destiny. No sickness, no sorrow, no fear remains. Your healing forever breaks my chains. You make me whole, you heal my pain. Your mercy falls like gentle rain. In every breath, your power I claim. Jesus, my healer,